Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges of the flags.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us in a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today is National Coaches Day. If you see Coach Prager, say hello.
To celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, today we are going to recognize journalist Maria E. Hinojosa. Maria E. Hinojosa was born in July 2nd, 1961 in Mexico City, but her family moved to Chicago in 1962. She began her career in 1985 on NPR and started the Latin U.S. program in 1992. She became NPR's first Hispanic
It's okay, go.
She has also written many books and won many awards.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, we will have a sunny sky with a high of 85 and a low of 66.
Today in history, in 1866, the first train robbery happened in the United States. Rhino brothers took $13,000.
Now for the joke of the day. Why is Cinderella bad at soccer, Curtis?
I don't know.
She runs away from the ball.
Here's a message from Miss Hamilton. Do you have a family member who has served in the military? Honor your veteran this year by submitting either a photo or a video to Miss Hamilton for the Veterans Day video. Submissions are due Monday, November 2nd. Be sure to ask Miss Hamilton for more details.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Carter. Until next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.